everyone, I'm from Water Radar, and we're here to inform you about water pollution, as this is an actual issue and not something to learn about in class or hear about it, and then forget about it within the week. This will actually affect you and humanity in real life. Every day, garbage trucks full of plastic are being dumped to the ocean. Plastic pollution has a huge effect on our environment. Lakes, rivers, and oceans are all affected by this form of pollution. Marine species can eat the plastic and absorb the toxin, which then passes on to other animals in the food chain. It destroys marine habitats and affects our drinking source. Lower pH levels, meaning more acidity, can factor into global warming, just like industrial air pollution, and factors into the destruction of habitats. Help us reduce the amount of pollution being put into the environment, such as using other modes of transportation, public, using renewable energy sources such as solar panels, and reducing carbon usage, as well as participating in community and beach cleanups and helping spread the word. Thanks!
You know this actually won't help, right? About 70% of industrial waste is dumped into the ocean. There are 14 billion pounds of trash in the ocean annually, and you think the minority can make a difference?
Every little bit helps.
No one really believes that anymore. No change will come of this.
Actually, helping even the slightest does matter. Even if it's just one less creature, it prevents either one animal from not having a food source or multiple animals being affected by a toxin. Consumption of a toxin can hurt one animal, leading it to it being in the body of multiple. While it may start out with a few, the numbers will grow and cause harm and death. Trophic cascades will occur, and this will damage our aquatic ecosystem.
Alright, but even if we do change, not much will come of it. Industry still won't change, and they'll bring about more than we can do. They won't change because they believe they won't profit and are fine with the way they are now. So us changing still barely helps.
Well, it will take time for them to profit, similar to solar panels, but it's worth saving animal and human lives. 15 million children under the age of 5 die from water-related diseases. Plus, by having more people reach out to companies, we can encourage them to make better choices for our environment.
It sounds like peer pressure.
It's not peer pressure, it's communication, and it is effective. We've already reached out to companies, and they've started to open up and take interest in what we do. We've gone out and tested water levels for pollution, and they help spread our message and information. If people got involved, the chances of protecting aquatic ecosystems and helping many people would be better in our grasp. Which is why we do need your help, as this will affect you and hundreds.